Today we convene not merely to host a conference, but to acknowledge a monumental shift in the trajectory of our nation and provide a platform to build on the existing conversation on women-led development as well as ideate on the roadmap for 2047.
No country can claim success in nation building if women are discussed only in sessions or only in separate schemes.
साथियों, आज हमारी पॉलिसीज महिलाओं के ईज ऑफ एक्सेस, ईज ऑफ फाइनेंस, ईज ऑफ ग्रोथ और ईज ऑफ लिविंग पर आधारित है। हमने दुनिया को दिखाया है कि रियल डेवलपमेंट तब होता है जब अंतिम पायदान पर खड़ा व्यक्ति सशक्त हो।
No nation in history has ever achieved sustainable development by leaving half of its population at the margins of economic activity. The India of tomorrow will be shaped by millions of women in villages, in small towns, and emerging urban centers. Women who may never ever appear in textbooks. Women whose economic activity and their participation will ultimately determine the strength of our great nation.
Till date, even we do not have with the Udyams registrations identifying a woman entrepreneur very carefully.
This lady does not know how to read, write, nothing. She knows how to use a mobile phone.
According to the latest Time Use survey, women devote almost an average of 305 minutes daily to unpaid care work in comparison to men's 88%. And in this context, we want to look at this unpaid care work from a private household issue turning into a critical macroeconomic challenge.
It's good to see men discuss women's issue as well, though my job here is to tell you that it's not a women's issue that we are talking about. It's a core economic concern.
We created an entrepreneurship-based SHGs with a vision that these women will ultimately be having a market for their own.
Have to fight a little bit harder to be seen, to be heard, to be selected.
So with 10% of women shifting to this, the climate impact is the equivalent of planting 9 million trees. And that has happened, we have seen it happen in the last 4 to 5 years.
Have we achieved parity? Not yet. But the arc is clear. India is no longer peripheral to international arbitration, and the women are no longer peripheral within it. That is the shift we are living through, and that is the momentum we must sustain. And that, I believe, is the future worth building and worth applauding.
And I used to really resist this tag. I used to say I'm a director. When I'm directing, I'm not constantly thinking that I'm a woman. But over the years, actually, I have in fact embraced that tag and said, yes, I'm a woman director, because if I don't embrace it, I can't say we need more women to be directing. So I think it's really important that we make this a mainstream conversation to begin with.
Part of the pushback is also because the so-called inconvenient truths that you said are challenging the existing patriarchal power system.
It's a different experience, completely different, but very satisfying.
They thought they would call the shots and they could use me to do whatever they wanted to do. But I made it clear to them that if you bring me in, think again, because you will not be able to use me as a puppet. I have a mind of my own.
किस रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात कर रहे हैं हम नेशनल लेवल पे? वी डोंट हैव, हमारे स्टेट से कोई नेशनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है ही नहीं। टेबल पे कुर्सी लेके आओ और खींच के बैठ जाओ खुद से।
उस दिन बहुत घर में एक सेलिब्रेशन था कि मैं गांव से शहर तक जाऊंगी। मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं सिलेक्ट होंगी या नहीं होंगी, बट एक गांव से शहर जाना ही हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी होती थी।
Safety, rest assured, 10 years in politics, have been traveling to the utmost remotest areas you cannot even imagine, to the international and the national borders. I have never ever faced any safety issue in regard to the political party where I belong to.
So they used to be like, madam आप इतना मेहनत क्यों कर रहे हो? आपको शादी करके घर पे ही तो जाना है।
The flip side is that we are working essentially and on the basis of what I call male-made schedules.
we have taken those risks, because if we spoke up at that point, it would just mean not getting a job again with that production. Because
We'll be
then you're
considered
branded.
like a liability.
Yeah, and you're
you know?
branded as a problem, right?
पर गौमूत्र घी छाछ सब बेचकर सशक्त आत्मनिर्भर नारी बन चुकी हूँ.
Well, we have sometimes I discover that people in India think that women in the West collectively, if we call it, or Europe, have more equal sort of situation. We practically don't have homemakers, women. A very few fraction would probably be shared by men and women equally.
रुत बदलदार अगर फूल ना फलना है तुझे, रहा का खार ही क्या गुल भी कुचलना है तुझे, लड़खड़ाएगी कहाँ तक के संभलना है तुझे, बन के तूफान छलकना है उबलना है तुझे, उठ मेरी जान मेरे साथ ही चलना है तुझे, उठ मेरी जान मेरे साथ ही चलना है तुझे.